Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to make part of an image bigger in Photoshop. Let's begin. First of all, open your Photoshop. Then you can use selection tool or rectangular as you wish. Example, I use selection tool. Select perfectly and okay. Then press Ctrl Z. Again press Ctrl T. Hold Shift and click on drag on your mouse for biggest. Or simply click selection tool, right click, use rectangular marquee tool, feather 0x, press enter, then select, press Ctrl T, hold shift, big size to this image. Press Ctrl D. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.